Grammar School is located on the lands of the Bunurong people, and we wish to acknowledge them as traditional owners.
We would also like to pay our respects to the elders, past, present, and Aboriginal elders of the other communities who may be present today.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant Southern Cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas with boundless plains to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hello everyone, my name's Ruthie, and today I'm going to show you my lunch and also tell you how to say hello in Hindi. Namaste is hello in Hindi, and now this is my lunch. So I got aloo tadka and roti in Hindi, and in English I got potato with some Indian spices and flatbread.
Hello everyone, well it's time to get giggly. Are you ready? Why do cowboys ride horses? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out the answer. Alright, time is up. The question was, why do cowboys ride horses? Because they're too heavy to carry. Hope that one gave you a laugh. Have a fabulous week, everyone, and a great weekend, and I will see you all again next week.
Five, four, three, two, one.
leaders with a quick reminder about our Color Explosion Fun Run. We are excited for the Color Explosion Fun Run on 10th of May and love to hear you have been fundraising. However, remember, it is important to always be with a parent or guardian when asking people to sponsor you. Please do not go without a parent or guardian when you are asking fundraising. Stay safe.
A great tip is to ask your family members and family friends. Hopefully they can help you.
Happy fundraising!